I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is Artificial Intelligence, chapter number 6. So in this chapter we will going to discuss all the things one by one. Okay beta. So the first thing we will discuss, what is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? As you all know that artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which we use to create the machines which can behave like humans. जो humans की तरह behave कर सके ऐसी machines create करना, ठीक है? It's the work of AI. AI has the capability or power to create the computer system which can take the intelligence or apply the intelligence like the human. The artificial intelligence, it is invented by the Mr. John McCarthy in the year 1950. Okay, beta. So now the next thing we will discuss, that is what are the goals of artificial intelligence. What are the goals of artificial intelligence? The first goal is to create expert system. What does it mean? It means to create a system which can exhibit the intelligent behavior, which can learn new things by itself. They can demonstrate itself, they can explain and can advise to its user. Okay, so that's the expert system. Now to replicate human intelligence machine means creating system that can understand, think, learn and behave just like humans. So this kind of machines need to create by that's the goal of artificial intelligence. Now here are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. As we all know that if we have some advantages of one thing, we also have some disadvantages of that thing also. So firstly we will discuss with the advantages of artificial intelligence. The first advantage we will discuss, that it is more powerful. It is more powerful than normal computers or use, and it is an improved interface use. These the improved interfaces, it can solve the new problems, it can convert the information into the knowledge. They can find the less errors and defects, can complete tasks faster than humans. ठीक है? Artificial intelligence is used to reduce the repetitive tasks. बार बार का repeat task भी को avoid करने के लिए we can use that. Computer cannot, AI cannot fatigue, it can work 24/7. Here are some disadvantages also. Increased cost बहुत high होती है. Difficult with software development. Software development of this type of system is very difficult, and the process of developing that is slow and it's very expensive because we have few experienced programmers. AI programmers are few in our country or in our place. Few practical products are reached in the market till now. बहुत कम products है which is related with AI comes in the market. High cost of creation की बहुत ज़्यादा cost होती है. AI makes humans lazy. कोई emotional connect नहीं होता. No emotional connection between the AI machines. Okay. Now the next one thing we will discuss, that is artificial intelligence help us in many ways. In how many ways an artificial intelligence can help us? The first one is, we will discuss the first one, that is digital assistant. What is a digital assistant? Digital assistant is a virtual assistant which can activate with your voice. It is a voice activated software which can work on your voice or your voice instructions. You just need to speak a command and the product digital assistant will gives you the answer or output. ठीक है? Here we have some digital assistance devices just like Apple Siri, Google Now, Amazon's Alexa and Microsoft's Cortana. These are the digital assistant which helps the user to perform various tasks. Okay beta? So now move to the next topic, that is email filters in Gmail. What are the filters? As you all know that filters are used to separate the things, to sort the things. In the Gmail, we have so many mails, just like primary, social, promotions. So, when we select, we have so many categories. If we select the primary category, तो it gives us the primary mails, यानी important mails show करता है. When we select the social category, it shows the social media related mails. Promotions shows the promotion related mails and so on. ठीक है बेटा? So this is the email filter. इस तरीके से हम अपने filters email को filter कर सकते हैं और we can find out the important mail as quicker. Now move to the next thing, that is chatbot. What is chatbot? Chatbot is an AI software which can conversation or a chat with the user in a natural language through the message application. क्या करता है वो मैसेज एप्लीकेशंस के थ्रू यूजर्स के साथ नेचुरल लैंग्वेज में टॉक कर सकता है, कन्वर्सेट कर सकता है. ठीक है, क्या करता है चैटबॉट? वर्ड्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करता है और आपको उनसे रिलेटेड हेल्पफुल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. चैटबॉट्स आर सो एक्यूरेट, बेटा वो बहुत एक्यूरेट होते हैं एज वी आर टॉकिंग टू द रियल पर्सन, जैसे कि हम किसी रियल पर्सन से ही टॉक कर रहे हैं. एज द एग्जाम्पल इज अमेजन कस्टमर केयर. व्हेन वी टाइप टू द अमेजन कस्टमर केयर सपोर्ट को जब हम कॉन्टैक्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्टली दे विल टॉक टू द, we have to talk to the chatbot system, then they will redirect to the executives. Now the next is social media. How AI linked with social media कैसे वर्क करता है? As you all know that it is used to identify the visuals and fight cyber bullying. मतलब जो भी ऑफेंसिव कमेंट्स हैं, जो रॉन्ग पोस्ट होती हैं, उन सबको फाइंड आउट करता है और उनकी कंप्लेंट्स होती है वहाँ पे जो रजिस्टर्ड होते हैं ना, जो अगर गलत काम करते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ ऑफेंसिव चीज़ का कमेंट्स करते हैं या गलत कुछ भी बोलते हैं, तो उन सबको वहाँ पे उनके लिए ये चीज़ यूज़ की जाती है. और आपको पता होगा टैगिंग फीचर, फेसबुक पे हम टैगिंग फीचर्स भी यूज़ करते हैं. इट इज़ हेल्प्ड बाय द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. ओके, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज गूगल प्रिडिक्टिव सर्च. व्हाट इज गूगल प्रिडिक्टिव सर्च? गूगल प्रिडिक्टिव सर्च में बेटा क्या होता है आप सबको पता है. व्हेन वी स्टार्ट टाइपिंग इन द गूगल, लिखना जब भी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो इट विल गिव्स यू द सजेशंस. इफ यू फाइंड आउट द सजेशंस इज यूजफुल यू कैन सेलेक्ट दैट, अदरवाइज यू कैन कंटिन्यू योर टाइपिंग. दिस इज गूगल प्रिडिक्टिव सर्च. ओके बेटा, नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी विल डिस्कस ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स एंड सर्विसेज. व्हाट इज ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स एंड सर्विसेज? कौन कौन से होते हैं? जस्ट लाइक अमेजन, फ्लिपकार्ट एंड सो मैनी. सो बेटा व्हेन वी सर्च ऑन ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स, so they gives us the suggestions also. You can also view that customer who viewed this item, they can also viewed. तो मतलब उनको हम और चीज़ों को हम देख सकते हैं. They can recommend us with the help of AI powered recommendations. ठीक है, now move to the next topic, that is mobile banking. What is mobile banking? As you all know that पहले हम सारी transactions कहाँ होती थी बेटा? After going to the bank. Now the system is very fast. All the technologies and banks का artificial intelligence use करते हैं and then they created their mobile apps. Through their apps we can transfer the money, we can pre-forward alerts, we can get the bill reminders. ठीक है, हम कुछ भी काम हम किसके थ्रू? मोबाइल बैंकिंग के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. Now maps and direction. What is maps and direction? Sorry. Google Maps. As you all know that Google Maps use artificial intelligence to calculate the traffic. Firstly, they calculate the traffic and gives you the quickest route to reach your destination. आपके destination पे पहुंचने के लिए quickest route बताती है आपको which route you have to follow for reach your destination fast. This is the work of map and direction. Now, self-driving and parking vehicles. क्या होते हैं बेटा? सेल्फ ड्राइविंग या पार्किंग व्हीकल्स जो होता है, इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडी की गई है. ठीक है, ये क्या है? एआई की एक फील्ड है. ठीक है, एआई की टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करके कुछ कंपनीज just like Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volvo and Tesla. These companies are created their cars which can drive themselves, computerized driving, and they can parking themselves their vehicles too. By which the number of accidents should be decreased, because on the late night driving some people get tired and they feel sleepy, so accident will happen. For the self driving mode or the computer driving mode, this will be reduced. Okay, now artificial intelligence in robotics. The next thing we will discuss, artificial intelligence in robotics. What is the robotics? As we all know that robotics is the branch of artificial intelligence. It concerned with creating robots. It is used to create robots and such machines which can move and react to sensory inputs. Artificial intelligence beta is create the robots which can perform tasks without pre-programmed. उन्हें प्रोग्राम नहीं किया जाता and they can perform their own tasks, अपने अकॉर्डिंग एक्सपीरियंस के अकॉर्डिंग परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स आर द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स. ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स हैं जो एग्जाम्पल है होते हैं किसका, एआई का. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स आर एरिका एंड सोफिया, which was developed. They can talk and they can behave like humans. These are the robotics structure. ठीक है, robotics is used to create the robots which has the basic or knowledge. They can behave like a human, they can think like human, they can work like human. Okay beta, so this chapter is completed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe and take care.